Hello everyone, myself Samprita Kulkarni from Shri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we are going to learn engineering applications of joint probability. Joint probability. Joint probability nothing but it is a two-way frequency table that displays two categorical variables. For example, the following two-way table shows the result of a survey that asked 100 people which sports they like. Options are baseball, basketball, or football. Of the respondent, and the column shows which sports they like. Male, female, these are the genders belongs to row wise, and baseball, basketball, football, these are the sports options which are represented by column wise. These are the total of male candidates and total of female candidates. And the candidates who likes by baseball, this is the sum of male and female, and this is the basketball and the football. In this example, there are two variables, gender. A joint probability distribution simply describes the probability of a given individual takes on a two specific values for the variables at once. Things happening for joint comes from the fact of we are interested in the probability of two at once. For example, out of 100 total individuals, there were 13 who were male and choose the baseball as their favorite sport. Thus, we could say that joint probability that is the given individual is male and chooses baseball as their favorite sport is 13 by 100. It is nothing but 0.13, or else we can say 13%. We can use this process to calculate the entire joint probability distribution. Like when gender male sports baseball, that is the 13 by 100, which is nothing but 0.13. When gender is male, sports is basketball, that is 15 by 100, that is nothing but 0.15. When the gender is male, sports is football, there are 20 candidates out of 100, so that it is 0.20. And the females are liking baseball, these are the number is 23, so it is 0.23. And the gender is female and the sports is basketball, there are 16 females are liking basketball, so that it is 0.16. And then gender is female and sports is football, there are like 13 people out of 100, that is nothing but 0.12. When you add these all the things, you will get 1 or 100%. Joint probability applications in engineering. Joint probability is a powerful concept used in engineering to model and analyze various systems and processes where multiple variables or events are involved. By understanding the joint probability of different events of variables, engineers can gain valuable insights into the system, performance, reliability, and risk assessment. Here are some applications of joint probability in engineering. Analysis. Engineers often deal with complex systems that consist of multiple components, and the system's reliability depends on the reliability of each individual component. Joint probability helps access the probability of multiple components failing simultaneously, which is essential for the estimating the overall system reliability. And the second one is quality control. In manufacturing the process, engineers use joint probability to study the probability of multiple defects occurring simultaneously, or the probability of defects in different parts of the product. This analysis can help identify the potential weak points in the production process and the overall product quality, and it enhances the overall product quality. Risk assessment. Engineers frequently encounter situations where multiple factors contribute to a certain risk. By applying joint probability, they can evaluate the likelihood of several events coinciding, leading to a specific risk. or failure of scenario. This is vital in fields such as civil engineering for assessing the risk of infrastructure failures or in the aerospace engineering for evaluating launch mission success. Communication systems. In communication engineering, joint probability is used to analyze the performance of communication channels affected by the multiple sources of noise and interference. By calculating the joint probability distribution of these disturbances, engineers can optimize the signal processing techniques to improve the communication system performance. And other one is signal processing. In signal processing, joint probability is employed to analyze the statistical relationship between different signals and noise sources. This information helps engineers design efficient filtering and diagnosing algorithm to extract useful information from noisy signals. Control systems. Joint probability is used in control engineering to model uncertainties and disturbance affecting to the system. To find these factors, we use joint probability in control systems. Engineers can assess the likelihood of multiple disturbances happening simultaneously and design robust control strategies to maintain system stability and performance under varying conditions. And other sector is environmental engineering. Joint probabilities is applied to the analyze extreme weather events or natural disasters. Understanding the joint probability of certain weather parameters like rainfall, wind speed occurring together can help engineers to design infrastructure that can withstand such extreme conditions. Optimization problems. In engineering optimization, joint probability can be utilized in scenarios where multiple variables needs to be simultaneously optimized. By modeling the joint probability distribution of these variables, engineers can find optimal solutions that account for interactions between them. These are the few examples of how joint probability is used in engineering. Its applications is widespread and enables engineers to make informed decisions, design robust systems, and manage uncertainties effectively. In this way, the joint probability distribution will help for the engineers. Thank you so much to all for watching my video. Here we will end the session. Jai Shri Ram.